Hello guys, welcome to another video of May the Codes Be With You, and today we are doing the keys and rooms problem. It is a medium problem on Leetcode, and it states that there are n rooms and you start in room 0. Each room has a distinct number in 0, 1, 2 to n minus 1, and each room may have some keys to access the next room. Formally, each room I has a list of keys rooms I, and each key rooms ij is an integer in 0 to n minus 1, where n equal to rooms dot length. A key rooms ij equal to v opens the room with number v. So initially all the rooms start locked except for room 0. So we are initially at in room 0. You can walk back and forth between rooms freely. So we will return true if and only if you can enter every room. So let's look at the example. So we are initially at room 1 and room 0, and we have 1 in our list, so we go to room 1, and in room 1 we have 2, so we go to room 2, and in room 2 we have 3, so we go to room 3. So we are able to travel all the rooms, so we'll return true. In the next example we are given this room, these rooms, so we can enter room 1 and 3, and in the next room, room 1, we can enter room 3, room 0 and 1, but we cannot enter room 2. So we have not visited room 2, we will return false. So let's look at how we will approach this question. So basically we will be using depth first search or DFS. If you have not seen our video on DFS, please check this out. It will help you to solve this question, and I want you guys to try this question out yourself first. So let's see our approach. So here is our approach and here is our steps. So first we will take a boolean array called visited, which will be of size rooms. Everything is false in it initially. Then we do visited 0 as true. Then we take a stack called keys. Here is a stack called keys. And then we add 0 to keys for the room 0. For room 0 we add 0 to the keys because we start from room 0. Then we do a while loop until stack is not empty. So in this while loop we'll take a current which will store the top of the stack. After storing current we will pop it. So our current is 0 we initially, then we will pop this 0. Then we'll run a loop for i.rooms.get current. So our rooms.get current will give us this list which has 1 in it. So if visited I equal to false, then we'll make it true, and we'll add I to the stack. So our I is 1, we'll add 1 to the stack. Then we'll check while condition, it is still satisfied, so we'll update our current as 1. We'll then pop it from the stack. Then we'll get the rooms.get current, it is false, so we'll make it true. Then we'll add I to the stack, so we'll add 2 to the stack. Then we will check the stack condition, while condition, it is not empty, so we'll update our current, and then we'll pop the stack. And then we'll get rooms.get current, which is 3. So we'll make it is false, so we'll make 3 as true. So this 3 becomes now true. This 3 visited 3 becomes true. We'll add it to the stack 3's, and our stack is still not empty, so we'll update our current and we'll pop the stack. So our current now becomes 3. We'll pop the stack, and then we'll get rooms.get current. This is a empty room, so we will exit this for loop. and then we'll exit this while loop because this condition is not satisfied. So then we'll check the our array, visited array, if any element is false. If it is, we'll return false, else we'll return true. As every element is true, we will return true. So true is our final answer. So now we will do the coding part. So first we will take the boolean visited array of size rooms. So boolean visited equal to new boolean rooms dot size. The next thing we'll do is we'll set visited 0 equal to true. Then we'll take a stack of integer called, we'll call that keys. So stack integer let's call it keys st equal to new stack. Then we'll add our 0 to the stack for our room 0, keys dot add 0. Then we'll put a while loop with the condition until the stack is not empty, that is not keys dot is empty. Is empty is a stl function of the stack library. Then inside stack we'll take a current variable called int current, and we'll set it equal to keys dot pop so that we store the top of the stack and simultaneously pop it. Then we'll do a for loop and we'll set int I rooms dot get current to traverse all the elements of the list at the ith position in the rooms array list. So here we will check if the list element is not visited. If not visited I, then we'll set visited I equal to true and we'll add it to the stack. We'll add I to the stack as mentioned in the earlier steps. Visited I equal to true and we'll add keys dot add I. So this is it. We have visited our list, or we have applied DFS. Now let's check if we have visited all rooms or not. So to do that, we'll just simply put a for loop for int I equal to 0 to I less than n, and I plus plus, sorry, and we have not initialized, so we'll set it equal to rooms dot size, and we'll check if visited I equal to false, then we'll return false, and if that condition is not satisfied, we'll come outside the loop and we'll return true. We'll return true. So this is it. This is our code. Let's run it. So it is accepted. Let's submit it. So it is accepted with 3 millisecond runtime. Let's submit it again to get a better runtime. So this is a better runtime. Obviously we can improve the runtime and memory by like using a different data structure like hash set instead of our list, but that is up to you. You can optimize it as much as you can. So this is it. This is the keys and rooms problem which we have solved using DFS. Thank you guys, and as always, may the codes be with you.